Clear Brown, North Dallas. Just shooting a quick video. 2021 4Runner. We just did a partial front on this, so probably a very popular package for a vehicle like this. Most of the time we do a full front, but I'm just going to show the quarter front or partial front. We do very few, but when we do them, there's no sparing of the perfection. So here we go. I'll show you that, and I'll try to get in here on the quarter hood. The line's right there, so if we can focus right there, I'm going to back out so you can get the full hood. The partial hood runs up to here, and all the edges still get wrapped. Show you that all the edges are wrapped. It's important to wrap this front edge, one, for durability, so the film doesn't fray. You never want to end a line on top of the car, and it protects that edge because rocks will hit there. Trust me. We did all this plastic in the front, both levels. We did this little piece up here, and then this whole bottom brush area. So it goes all the way under to the very end. You'll see all the edges got wrapped. Very beautifully done. And then the headlights, of course, already got all wrapped up. There's seams on them right here. Whoops, right here there's a seam, and then here. They're very minor, but you can't get that in one piece. It'd pop up later if you attempted it. And then we got the edge here where the flare is, and that wraps all the way under into the wheel well. And then the package goes all the way under, so you're protecting the full painted bumper, grille, brush there, headlights and fog lights, and then the mirrors were also done, and these run from edge to edge all the way around, So there you go, folks. Clear bra done the right way. If you're getting a clear bra job or you got one, you want me to take a look at it, feel free to come by or call us at 940-703-8301, clearbranorthdallas.com for any questions. Thanks for watching.